This is Tuesday, October 24th. I got the smoke machine set up again. The hoses that I repaired back here near the charcoal canister, I let the RTV that I sealed them with dry overnight, and I'm going to try another smoke test out. Okay, I got the smoke going. When I first came back here, I saw a little bit of smoke and then it stopped. Oh, I see it again. Oh, it's coming from up there. I think that's the vent line up there by the, so I better check that. I'm not sure if that's coming from that vent line. There's a valve up there. So that's probably where that's coming from. Anyway, I don't see any where it was coming from this fuel flow harness pump, valve. The elbow, you can't see that from here, but where that elbow goes into, yeah, that's all coming from up there. But anyway, I'm gonna check that out, but I think that's coming from a vent line, a valve. I don't think it's coming from a leak or anything, but I'll check it out. Anyway, things are looking a little better. Anyway, this will be the second part of this smoke test. I'm gonna do some final checking on the hoses. I'm pretty sure what smoke I got right now is coming from that vent line up there. There's the let's see. There's the one I put the clamp on. Here's that smoke coming from there. Anyway, there's the elbow that I put RTV on the connector, and I put a clamp on it, and I really don't see any smoke coming from there right now. Everything I see is coming from that vent line up there from above. And this is the other one that I fixed. New hose, RTV inside there, sealing, and a clamp. Anyway, you see the smoke's coming from up there. I know there's a vent line on my Evap.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Yes, I will.